I just finished putting the tire on my race bike front rim, and I'm going to attempt to use my Venom balancer I purchased last year for the first time. So instructions say to spin the wheel slowly until it settles out, and the heaviest spot should be at the bottom. And when you find the heaviest spot, they tell you to mark it with a piece of tape at the very top. That should be the lightest part of the wheel. I'll just help it settle out a little quicker. It looks like it there, so I'll go to the top of the wheel. Stick on my first weight. I had a pack of weights that came with this, so I'll put the first one on. And I'll start moving it around to see if it's still going back down to the heavier spot. So I'll have to add another weight on it from the kit. Alright, I'll try it here at 90 degrees. Nothing, still holding steady. I'll try on this side. 90. Pretty stable. Try it down here. Looks like the 2 weights should be enough. I took about 5 weights off it. I took those 2 weights plus these 4 off the original tire. It may have been pretty unbalanced when it was installed, so this is only going to take 2 weights. So I'll stick them on with the provided 2-sided tape, and that should be my front wheel ready to go back on. Now I have the weights installed with the 2-sided tape on the inside of the wheel. Now we have a statically balanced wheel. It would be better to do a dynamic, but this is all I have, and for the race bike it should be good enough to keep that going straight down the track.